So today we are learning about miscible and immiscible. So we can say that miscible, they are solution whereby when you can mix solution A and solution B, they mix to form one solution.
Nasikia njaa. Unaelewa kitu?
And immiscible solution is whereby when you can mix solution A and solution B, they does not mix. They form two layers. Do you understand?
No.
Since you have understood, who can give me the example of when you mix beans and maize, what will it form? Is it miscible or immiscible? Ruth, can you give me your answer?
Githeri.
Githeri? So I'm here teaching githeri ni mnakula nyumbani. Are you guys serious?
Absolutely 100%.
When you mix water and flour, what will it form? Is it miscible or immiscible?
Ugali.
Ni kama nikiongea kizungu amuelewi. So boys, okolea class, bure wote mtaenda staff room. Ukimix maji na unga ina form nini?
Wewe umejibu aje?
Yesu!
Akakataa. Basi mimi nimwambie uji. Uji.
Uji? Mwamke wote.
Bado sini wano. Real bad man.